So here's this stuff over here is the phonetic alphabet. We've talked about it before. The symbols are weird and you have to learn how to match them with the sounds. But essentially what it is, it's that the same letter can make different sounds. Okay, so even though you see it, it's the same letter, sometimes it'll make a different sound, and that is what happens, okay? So in the English language, you guys can see the presentation, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in the English language, there are 21 consonants, and these are all the letters, but they don't include the vowels. So all the letters except A, E, I, O, and U, okay? But there are 24 consonant sounds. So even though there are 21 consonant letters, there are 24 sounds, okay? So some letters get multiple sounds. Cool? All right. Some of these sounds are voiced and some are unvoiced, which means that if you touch your throat when you're talking, some letters or some sounds, you can hear the vibration. So go ahead and put your hand on your throat. And you can see if you say fat, fat, there's no vibration. So say fat.
Fat?
Do you feel vibration in your throat?
No.
Not really, right? But when you say vat, you feel the vibration. Vat.
Vat.
Okay. So all it is that one has a vibration and the other one does not have a vibration. Even though they sound similar, the difference is one comes from the throat and you feel the vibration, the other one doesn't. Okay, so I'm going to say the first one and then I'm going to say the word and then I want you to say it after me, and you could keep your hand on your throat to see the difference. Okay? And those that are next to it, it's the phonetic sound. Okay, that's the phonetic alphabet and that's the sound. So fat. You guys, vat, vat. So it comes from here. Vat.
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 Come.
Come.
Come with a K. Come.
Come.
Gum.
Gum.
A vibration. Gum.
Gum.
Pit. Pit. No
Pit.
vibration. Pit. And bit.
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 Bit. Right. There's this. Sip.
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 And zip.
Zip.
Ton.
Tongue.
Done. Done.
Done.
Here, right? Done.
Done.
Chin.
Chin.
Okay,
Chin.
no, the chin doesn't have that vibration. Gin.
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 That has the vibration. Thick.
Thick.
Thick, right?
Thick.
TH. Thick.
Thick.
And then the other one is this.
This.
Pressure.
Pressure.
Pressure, right? No vibration. And pleasure, right? There's a vibration and pleasure.
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 Ooh. So the S sound, the S sound is unvoiced and the Z sound is voiced. Okay, and this is when we're talking about S's. Okay, so I'm gonna say these words and you tell me if it's voiced or unvoiced. Oh, my bad. Art. Art. What do you guys think?
No
Voiced or
voice.
not voiced, right?
Yeah.
Divide.
Divide.
No.
No
Divide.
voice.
Divide.
Voiced.
No voice.
Cab.
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 No voice.
right? But the b doesn't have doesn't have a voice, right? It's unvoiced. Rack,
Rack.
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 Okay. Is it voiced or unvoiced?
And voice.
Unvoiced. Lap. The p, lap.
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 Voiced or unvoiced?
Voice.
Unvoiced.
Unvoiced. Lap. Nothing, no vibrations. The p is unvoiced. Edge. Edge.
Edge.
Edge.
Edge. Do you feel it? Edge.
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 Leaf.
Edge.
Leaf.
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 No
No vibration. So not voiced. Rag.
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 No.
Voiced or unvoiced? What is it?
No. No vibration.
Rag. G. Right.
G.
There's a vibration, so it's voiced. Etch.
Edge.
Etch.
Edge.
No vibration.
No
Okay.
vibration.
Love.
Love.
No vibration, right? Love.
No.
No vibration. So unvoiced.